Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can turn a simple idea into a beautifully designed Instagram post in seconds with AI. Today, we'll show you how to create scroll-stopping content for Instagram with just a prompt. Let's dive into it. Getting started. From your Gamma dashboard, click on Create with AI. You'll see 3 ways to get started. Generate with AI. Start from a simple prompt. Paste in text. Transform plain text into a post. Import a file or URL. Turn an existing document into a social-ready design. For this tutorial, let's use the Generate with AI option. Just describe your idea and click on Generate Outline. Drafting your post. Gamma automatically structures your content and organizes it into various sections for your post. If you have a pro plan, it can even retrieve information from the web. You can also select the appropriate aspect ratio for Instagram, square for main feed posts, portrait for carousels, stories for full vertical content. Want to add visuals? You can upload your own images, use web sources, or generate illustrations with AI to complement your message. Advanced mode. For more control, enable advanced mode. In the prompt editor, you can choose freeform to let AI structure your content from start to finish, or card by card to manually distribute your post, one section at a time. You can also define your audience, the tone and language. Other format preferences tailored to each platform. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Continue. Selecting a theme. Make your post visually stunning in one click. Gamma gives you instant access to a library of professional themes made to shine on social media. If you want to apply your own brand, you can create a custom theme with your own logo, colors, and fonts. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you're happy with the look, click Generate to bring your Instagram content to life. Editing with AI. Gamma does the heavy lifting by automatically generating your social media post. From there, you can keep customizing by adding or editing text, inserting visuals, and smart layouts, changing the card's order. You can also use the AI assistant to make fast edits. Just click Edit with AI, describe what you want, and Gamma takes care of the rest. To go deeper into AI editing, check out our Edit with AI video tutorial. Sharing, exporting, and publishing. Once your post is ready, share it however you like. Present it to your team directly from Gamma with interactive features. Share with others via a link. Export as PDF to send it via email, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. PNG images for uploading to any social media platform like Instagram or TikTok, or publish directly to LinkedIn without leaving Gamma. You can also select just the cards you want to export, giving you full control over what gets posted. Whether you're building a carousel, a story, or a single post, creating eye-catching Instagram posts with Gamma is fast, easy, and fun. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas out there. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.